List.
Blind 137 says I had a headache reading that sentence.
Wait, why did you? Maybe you shouldn't have read it then. I don't know. I didn't mean. Well, you're listless, and then now you have a headache. Like, I just feel like a bad person right now. That's all. Dang. Okay. Well, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I gave you a headache.
Alex 1v says exit student 1 equals 100.
Oh my god. Man. Okay. Right. First step, check each list in the list.
Blind 137 says if I had to write the comment for a job or something, I would probably write it like this.